Hi everyone, welcome to this series of videos on the topic of category theory. So, what is category theory? Well, it's a mathematical theory, which means that it's abstract. It does not correspond to any particular thing in the real world, but it does apply to a lot of different domains. And one of the domains that category theory is particularly applicable to is the domain of functional programming. Now, here by functional programming, I mean strong, statically typed, pure functional programming, like you would do in a language like Haskell or PureScript. So, in those languages, the idea is that the constructs and the operations that you might have at your disposal, they correspond directly to the ideas in category theory. And so, learning category theory, learning those base ideas, makes you a better functional programmer. Now, does it? That is the question that we will be exploring in this series of videos. And the videos are going to be bite sized, covering a small number of topics. But the idea is that the videos are going to be practical in nature. They will not give you, for example, a list of definitions to memorize or a list of derivations. We're not going to approach this from a mathematical standpoint. What we will be doing is looking at things from first principles. So, first we'll build intuition about the topics. Then we will look at things from first principles, build the categorical ideas on that intuition. And then we will not end there. I'm not going to end with saying that a monad is a triple, for example, or even a monad is a monoid in the category of endofunctors, things like that. So we may touch upon it. I may give you the definition that is mathematical, that's more precise. But we will move on. We will do something useful and practical with it. So that's what we'll be doing. We'll be making bite-sized videos on these concepts from that perspective. And yeah, I hope you derive value out of them, even if you are a functional programmer or not a functional programmer. But I hope you enjoy these videos. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.